Hey everyone, hi. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm so excited for this video. Yes, super excited. So yeah, I came back and I saw a package by my door, and what was it? Was it the one? I was like, was it the one? Yes, it was. Yes. So today we're gonna be unboxing my Lana Shoulder Bag by COACH. Yes, finally. So I'm super stoked about it. It's just gonna be an unboxing video and a first impression of the bag, and I cannot wait. So yes, the package. This is the package. Oops. Thou shalt not know my address. So this is the package, and I got it from Selfridges. I didn't get it from the COACH outlet. I got it from Selfridges, and it came pretty quick, considering where I live. For those who know, you know the struggle. So, shall we? Let me clear my table. This is how the box came. It was pretty damaged, but I don't give two shits about. Am I supposed to say that? I don't really care about like packaging as long as the main deal is intact. So yeah, super satisfying. So yep, Selfridges and Co. got my invoice. My baby. Ooh. Okay, let me just get this out of the way. Okay, these are the charms, and ooh. Her. Okay, let me just get this box out of the way. So before we get into the charms, I'm gonna unbox the bag first. So this is how she comes. I'm sure you could get it at the COACH outlets in New York or US. Probably have it like properly boxed up with a cute bow and yada, whatever. So this is how she comes, and yeah, we just open it here. ASMR. Okay. Ooh, she's a big girl. Yeah, I got her in the color, is it dark stone? Yes, I think it's dark stone if I'm correct. So I got her in the color dark stone, and she looks gorgeous. She looks gorgeous. Very gorgeous. I'm in love already. Like, what? The leather? Beautiful. So okay, just removing all the papers in the bag. Quite a lot of paper. Okay. Okay. Oh. We got the heels. I forgot to mention the bag heel. And I'll just get the handles. Let's see. I'm not even trying to even rip this in a cute manner. I'm just like yanking everything out. The hardware, I don't know if you can take in some detailing. It's all, you know, is the word customized? I don't know. It has the COACH logo on every hardware. The zipper everywhere. It has COACH on it, which is very good detailing. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Oh, the signature. Yeah, I got my COACH New York. So yeah. Okay, the inner zipper, I forgot. Okay. So this is where you have your dust bag. Just some more stuffings, some more stuffings. So on the inside we have a zipper pouch and also another inner. I'm trying to, okay, that's not budging, but yeah, it's an inner zipper pouch with the COACH, is it a creed? I don't know, but I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's so lovely. First impression, the bag is beautiful. Like it is beautiful. It is so beautiful. Like, I mean, come on. Yes. The leather is soft. I think a lot of people say it's structured, but I would say it's like semi-structured, because over time definitely it's gonna, like, you know, the handles are gonna fall, and yeah, but it's an incredibly beautiful bag. So the bag to the side, let me open my accessories. I got 2 charm accessories. So let's start with this one first. Okay. So the first accessory I got is the signature. You guessed it, the signature. This packaging is serious. The signature cherry bag charm, and it is so gorgeous. It is. I love the pop of red. I really like the color red. It's not my favorite color. My favorite color is black, but I really do appreciate and love a pop of red color. Look at it. It is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And the second package is it's another, it's like a long chain with, let me just get all of that off. Ooh, I totally forgot I got this. It's been a long time coming. I totally forgot what I got. It is this chain from COACH. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna hang this. Which one is the, I think this is the front. Like so. And I'll just hang my cherry right here. So this is the way I'm gonna design my bag, and it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty already. Come on. I love my bag and so excited about it. So excited about it. Yay. It's pretty. Thank you for staying through to this, staying through to the end in this video. I really appreciate it. I'm pretty new here, so I would really love for you to subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Would you buy it? Yeah, I still look forward to do an in-depth review of the bag once I have some wear on it. and I would definitely do come back and post my reviews about the bag, but I can tell I'm gonna love it. I can tell. I'm so happy, so happy. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.